guys, Becky Timms here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can save up to 35% on your online purchases. Now, do you like to coupon? Have you ever been in the grocery store and the person in front of you is standing there with like a big stack of coupons and you're like, oh my gosh, just hurry up already? Well, this is couponing on steroids, and basically what you do is you go to websites like Gift Card Granny, or you can go to cardpool.com, or you can go to cardcash.com, and as you can see, you can save up to 35%. So like, for example, at Ace Hardware, you can save up to 8.6%. So you click on that, and on this particular website, which is Card Cash, it tells you whether it's a physical card, and it looks like all of these are physical. So you would have to plan ahead if you wanted to purchase something from Ace Hardware. But basically, if you have a $100 value card, you're going to pay $91.40. So you can save up to 8.6% on this particular one. When you go back, and you can just scroll down, here's an advanced auto parts. If you shop there, all of these are physical. Same difference. You can save up to $15.13%, but that's a physical card. So let's go over to like gift card exchange with Cardpool. So at Cardpool, so let's say for example you're shopping at Applebees. So you click on Applebees, and with this one you can choose, do you want them to, we're going to look at email only because we're in a hurry. So here you can buy a $50 card to use, but you're only paying $43. Or here you're buying $50 and you're paying $43. So you're saving 14% on Applebees, and they're guaranteed for 1 year after you purchase them. You can also go to Gift Card Granny, and so here's one, let's see, oh, look, here's an Amazon one. You can save 3% off of Amazon gift cards. So you can buy one for $25. So basically you only save 2% on these. But so 2% is 2%. So you want to make sure that you check eGift and make sure that you can get 2% off. You can also go to upromise.com. So after you get your gift card, you can go over to upromise and then type in like Amazon if you want. And Amazon is not through upromise, so you could type in, maybe you have an overstock card. You can type in overstock, and you can see that overstock is listed, so you get an additional 5% back just from clicking on shop now and going over to overstock. But what I like even better than that is you can go to this website called Top Cashback, and you can click on Cardpool, you'll get 4% back. Gift Card Granny, you get $5 cash back just by using this link. And Raise is another one, you get double cash back. So let's use this, let's go see what Raise is. So we get up to 2%. You get double cash back, so we're going to click Get Cash Back. And then it says just shop as normal and we take care of the rest. You can get $5 off when you purchase 50 or more. So you can just stack and stack and stack these gift cards. So here's one if you shop at GameStop, maybe for your children or even for yourself, or Nike, 5.25%. And you can see what Home Depot has 1.3, JCPenney 9.6%. So just by clicking on different websites, you get to save percentages and save more money. And so this is what I call couponing on steroids with e-commerce. Enjoy the tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.